We change topic and we move on to Guatemala. Defense lawyers broke their forced silence by denouncing the systematic and abusive use of the crime of terrorism in a criminal case being kept secret against former indigenous leader from Totonicapán who led nationwide protests in 2023. Our correspondent Santiago Botón brings us the details.
Two former indigenous leaders of the Maya people of Totonicapán face charges of terrorism, an unusual charge that the defense considers anomalous in a case brought by the public prosecutor's office to criminalize social protest.
There is malicious, improper use of criminal law, and in this specific case, of the criminal offense of terrorism, one assesses it right, with serious events that have occurred in other countries.
Luis Pacheco and Hector Chaclin voluntarily served as indigenous authorities of Totonicapán in 2023. The charges arose after their people led protests that stopped the coup attempt by the public prosecutor's office of Consuelo Porras after the general elections.
So what is really happening is an attempt to create a process using criminal law to try to suppress social protest.
Both former officials have been in prison since April 2025. No judge has taken the case, alleging a conflict of interest with the Foundation Against Terrorism, the entity that reported them.
That is precisely where these patterns of criminalization are reflected, as recognized by the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights, which has established that one pattern is precisely the delay in proceedings, keeping people in prison, and an uncertainty about their legal situation.
The team of lawyers also denounces the improper use of legal confidentiality by the public prosecutor's office and the judges to keep this and other cases secret, despite the fact that the law establishes a period of only 10 days.
We remain in criminal cases with permanent reservation, which makes it impossible for Guatemalan society and the entire world to know what is happening in certain cases because we cannot provide much information.
5 United Nations reporters have spoken out about these and other arbitrary detentions in the country, but the institutions in question seem to be downplaying international concern.
Santiago Botón, teleSUR, Guatemala.